Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this episode 19 of season 3. We are still on the beading series and we are doing this gorgeous design here in episode 19. It's very easy and very simple, so just watch closely. I'm sure you will understand. I'm using 0.3 beading thread, and I'm using gold stoppers and silver locker. So I just went ahead to cut about 200 centimeters length of thread, and I went ahead to put two. I'm using wine pearls, so I just put the two ends of the thread together. Then I went ahead to put two of the pearls on it, so two pearls, just like so. Then I went ahead to put two of the gold stoppers. So that's the gold stoppers. I'm just going to put two real quick. Once that was done, I went ahead to put half of the locker is in two parts, so I just took one part of it. I put one on it. Then I went ahead to pass my thread back through the stoppers and the pearls, and I press the stoppers and go rid of the excess thread. So this is how it looks like. You should have something like this. Now I just went ahead to get rid of the two short threads, just like so. Once that was done, the other end is still intact, so I just went ahead to split it open. Now I have two threads. Now I have the left and the right thread, so I went ahead to pick one pearl on the left, one pearl on the right, then I cross-threaded with one pearl. What I did was I just picked one, or it can be on any thread, and you pass the other thread through it towards the opposite direction, just like so. And I put it all the way apart, and this is what you should have, this cross-like design here. So I'm just going to repeat the process till I get to the length where I have to teach you another thing. So just watch closely. It's very easy and very simple. And yeah, if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 20, is uploaded. Yeah, so yeah, enjoy the video. So this was the length I wanted for the first part. I went ahead to put three of the pearls on the left thread, so I'm picking three on the left. Then I went ahead to cross thread with one. Once again, the cross threading can be on any thread, so I picked one on the right thread, and I'm going to pass the left thread through it towards my right, and it should have this circle forming around here. So I'm just going to continue with the one on the left, one on the right, and cross thread with one. Alright, so once I got to the same length as I did at the left, I went ahead to put one pearl on the left thread, one pearl on the right thread. Then I put the two threads together and I put two of the pearls on it, just like we did earlier. Then I went ahead to put my stoppers and my locker and I locked it, or I finished it up. So just watch closely. It's very easy and very simple. Yeah, and once again, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and leave a comment, like anything. And thank you so much for all those who have been commenting on my videos. I have a special package coming for you. I mentioned it in one of my videos. We are about to do a challenge, so if you want to take part, you just have to believe in a comment. You may never know when the challenge is starting. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by once again, and I hope you do enjoy the video and you do learn something from it. Guys, so I present to you episode 19. You can see it's very simple, but quite classy and very easy. So yeah, you can do for a friend, you can do for someone, anybody. So yeah, please, once again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 20, which is a banger, is uploaded. And I'll see you in episode 20. Bye.